Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Just great, thanks.
Oh, doing good.
I brought it down to your head level, don't worry.
Thank you.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It is Sundays for the Fellas 7.
It's been a while.
It's been a while.
It's been a long time.
There's this that you guys haven't seen yet, so this is going to be in black and white because the video process of him actually putting on this wide body kit and wrapping his car isn't going to be live yet. Hey.
Hey.
Why are you looking at me? Hurry up. So right now, before we actually get to join all the fellas and all the charades and fun stuff,
We gotta make it. We gotta make it happen. So we had to take the passenger side rear axle out of my parts car, install it into my drift car, do an eyeball alignment on this thing, and then we actually have to go drive down to Eric's house. It's like 25 minutes south. I'm reinstalling a GK Tech angle kit for him. Yeah. So reinstalling a GK Tech angle kit for him, doing an alignment on his car, doing a quick rear end alignment on my car, and then we're gonna go take a trip to Mexico for the evening and burn some rubber.
first things first is fix the drift car, find the other fellas, fix the other drift car, and then drift the drift cars.
Because they're always broken, because they're, you know, they're drift cars.
What he said. Look at that power stance.
Got it.
So Operation Fix Drift Car number 1 has gone swimmingly so far. As you can hear behind me, Hayden's grinding. He just blew up a grinder wheel under the car. I got the lower control arm, or upper control arm out of this car.
Yes. Progress.
He's gonna drive tonight. I don't give a fuck. You're driving.
Yeah.
You're driving.
Driving.
I got dirty because of this.
I got grinder bits in my hair. My fresh cut.
I got it. Don't worry. You're good.
I don't.
So we got the car back together. He's adjusting tow right now. Then we're gonna roll out to Eric's house and do lower control arms, tie rods.
Tie rods, back offset spacer.
Gino's here.
Hello. My car's not good right now.
Yep, that's it. My car's not good right now. That's it.
So we'll see if it blows up.
Rear, and we're good.
Hell yeah.
I'm
up?
on my toe,
Howdy.
and we're good.
So we've teleported to Eric's house now, and now it's time to do his angle kit.
Woo!
Yes.
So we're gonna stand around as a group and watch Hayden work on things. It's basically like a union without the union. Oh, friend.
Yes.
And you don't have the lower control arms, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Okay.
Lower control arms.
Dude,
and
you
angle
forgot
kit.
no clearance issues.
No clearance issues?
No, you've got a lot of angle.
Awesome.
You've got a lot. So yeah, keep it locked. Holy
That's full
shit.
lock.
Holy fuck.
Damn.
Angle of the dangle.
And look at this side.
Oh yeah.
You look tired.
Hello. It's late. It's early.
It's early. Now it's 1. And now time for the moment we've all been waiting for.
It is 1:20 in the morning on Saturday.
Yeah, that's usually what comes after Friday. Yeah. It's really 1. So now all the cars are fixed, so we're gonna go see what breaks first.
Right.
you want to see what happened today?
What'd you do?
So, you know the dip leaving Hayden's house on the right side, the fucking water passage?
Yeah.
I completely zoned out, forgot that was there. Front bumper. So,
you broke that side.
me and Dustin put 12 zip ties on this. So there's 2 on here now. Okay, I put 2, and then this one. But I didn't cut any of them. But my bumper's on. But it's a little not existent.
First you're hot, now you're cold. Which one is it?
She has to go to the bathroom.
So we'll definitely leave you behind.
I don't know where it is.
Why is the gas station lighting always on point?
It's the best.
Woo! That fitment in the front though. You sexy with that fish cut, dog. Don't worry about it. Erik blew out a line to his hydro almost immediately when we got out here, which was kind of a bummer. And Hayden's already out of tire, and we didn't bring a jack to put it on his spare, so boo-boo on us for not coming prepared and also fixing 2 cars until 1:30 in the morning and then coming out here to do this. But Gino's starting to learn how to get corners down pretty good, and Eric's starting to feel comfortable with the ankle kit, which is nice. So